Hello friends, welcome to .NET Programming Tutorial. Today we will learn what is abstract function and abstract class in C#. So let's start with abstract function. So the abstract function is a function which do not contain any implementation or body. So let's write the definition first. So I am writing a small example here. So here I have declared one function uh, which non abstract function, so and it having some implementation also. So as per the definition, a function which do not contain any implementation body is called as an abstract function. So to make this function as a abstract, so remove this opening and closing bracket here, and we have to write abstract keyword here. This is how we can declare any function as an abstract function. So let's talk about abstract class. The abstract class is a class which contain one or more abstract function, is called as abstract class. So let's write the definition. So the abstract class can contain abstract as well as non-abstract function also. An abstract class can contain all members of class, like data members, abstract function, non-abstract function, indexer, events, etc. And abstract class is not by default public and abstract. We have to declare, we have to write public and abstract to declare any class as abstract. I am writing here sample class here. under the abstract class I am writing here one above the abstract function, and abstract function are compulsory to be terminate. So uh, we cannot create the instance of abstract class. So to create the instance, we have to create or derive the new class, and the in order to provide the functionality to this abstract function, uh, this function are compulsory to override in a derived class. So the functionality to this abstract function is provided in a derived class. So for example, I have written one class diagram here for example. So here I declared one class which is nothing but the employee class, which is abstract class, and under the abstract class we have declared some data members, employee ID, employee name, and employee age, employee address. And I have declared this two data member as a protected, so we can able to access that data member in a derived class also, as per the definition of access specifier. And we have declared the I have declared the two function. First is the abstract function and second is a virtual function. So the as per the definition, abstract class, the class which contain one or more abstract function. So this, as per the definition, the abstract class contain non-abstract function also. So let's implement the program with help of this class diagram. So let's flip to Visual Studio and implement the program. So I am declaring uh, employee class, employee abstract class, and under the employee abstract class I am declaring some data members. So declare abstract function and non-abstract function. And it is compulsory to terminate. And as it is non-abstract function, so non-abstract function have some implementation also. So in order to provide the functionality implementation to a abstract function, so we have to create or derive the new class. So create a new class, employee class, and we have to derive this abstract class here. And abstract class are compulsory to override here. So this abstract function is overridden in derived class. So let's copy this and declare some data member. Instead of employee address and employee age, we want car allowance and bonus. So this virtual function is also overridden here. So let's copy this and we have to make some changes. In a base class, this function is override here. Instead of employee address and employees, we have to write car allowance and bonus. So let's as per the definitions, we cannot create the instance of abstract class. So we have in this scenario we have to create the instance of manager class. So let's create the instance of manager class here, and we have to access this both function. So let's build the solution. So the solution is built successfully. So let's start without debugging. Enter the manager ID, manager name, parlance, and bonus. Let me check this what happened. We have to remove this. So let's build the solution. Now start without debugging and enter the details. So this is about the abstract function and abstract class. So thanks for watching my tutorial. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.